In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start trading with Binance futures. So whether you're new to futures trading or just looking to refine your skills, stick around as we break this process down into clear and simple steps. Let's kick things off by logging into your Binance account. You'll need to either open the Binance app on your phone or log in through the website. Once you're in, head over to the derivatives section in the main menu. There, you have the choice between USDT M futures or Coin M futures. Choose the one that suits your needs best. Once you've set up your derivatives, it's time to transfer funds into your futures wallet. This is critical as you need the funds there to start trading. Simply click on the transfer option. Here, you'll seamlessly move your USDT or any other cryptocurrency from your spot wallet directly to your futures wallet. With your wallet prepped and ready, it's now time to choose a trading pair. Think of this as picking the stocks you want to trade, but in the crypto world. One popular pair you might consider is BTC USDT. This is just one example, but feel free to choose according to your strategy. Next, let's talk leverage. Click on the leverage icon. Here, you can choose the amount of leverage you'd like to apply, such as 5x or 10x. A word of caution, though. If you're a beginner, it's wise to start on the lower end of the leverage spectrum. Leverage can amplify gains, but it also increases risk significantly. Now, it's important to understand the different order types available to you. There are three primary options: market, limit, and stop limit. A market order is executed instantly at the current market price. A limit order allows you to set a specific price at which you're willing to buy or sell. Meanwhile, a stop limit order helps you control trades by setting stop prices to trigger a market buy or sell order, providing a cushion against market volatility. Once you feel comfortable, it's time to place your trade. Enter the amount of contracts you wish to buy or sell, then decide whether you're going long, expecting the price to rise, or short, anticipating a drop. Once set, click Buy Long or Sell Short to execute the trade. For those mindful of risk, setting stop loss and take profit levels is a prudent step. Although optional, these tools help safeguard your investments by automatically closing your position at predetermined levels, protecting your profits while minimizing losses. Finally, keep an eye on your open positions and profit and loss in the futures dashboard. This is where you can track how your trades are performing in real time. And when you're ready to close a position, be it for profit-taking or risk management, it's straightforward. You simply click on Close Position or place an opposite order, effectively closing out your contract. And there you have it, a guide to getting started with Binance Futures. Thanks for tuning in, and happy trading.